Hello, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the Toyota Hilux Invincible X. Now as you can see, this one does come to you in a lovely white 5 leather seats. This is a crew cab model. It does come to you with a lovely chromatic accent along the bar at the bottom and also the bumper on the back as well as the handles. So just opening up the passenger side here, you can see we have an automatic transmission as well as an eco mode, power mode down here, heated seats for the front two passengers, air conditioning just above, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and also low range. Up on the screen just here we do have satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, mobile phone access as well as a reversing camera. Now moving across the steering wheel just here we do have voice assist, hands-free calling as well as cruise control upon the screen there as well for you. Now I will just show you the back 3 seats as well. Now as you can see, they are once again lovely and leather just here, ball pop just down in the middle just here. You can see we do of course have an armrest, 2 cup holders for the convenience of the rear passengers. Now in this little cubby hole just here we do of course also have our AC power outlet just down there. It is a little dark, I do apologise about that, I'm afraid you can't really see it, but trust me, it is there. Now I will just show you the bed area at the back, which is rather sizable even though this is a crew cab pickup. Now as you can see, it does have a cover on top and just underneath you can see there is plenty of room inside. Now if you would like to find out more about this pickup truck, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, anchorcars.co.uk works as well. If you're watching this on YouTube, both of those links will be in the description. If not, you can feel free to head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discuss more.